Hello, this is Durant at VeniceForVisitors.com with another in a series of walking directions to hotels in Venice, Italy. Today's destination is the Hotel Ai Tolentini. You'll start your walk in the Piazzale Roma, which is the gateway for motorized traffic other than trains arriving in Venice. Right here, straight ahead of us, is the People Mover station in the bottom of a large parking garage. The People Mover is an automated tram that comes from the Maritima cruise terminals and the Tronchetto parking island. And sweeping around here slowly, you'll see more parking garages and buses. Right now, a bus is arriving from Venice Marco Polo Airport. And there's another one parked up here right ahead of us already that goes to Treviso Airport. And here it comes, the airport bus. If you're coming from Marco Polo Airport, you'll probably arrive on that ATVO airport shuttle from the airport. And farther ahead, you'll see trees. And that's where you'll probably be walking if you're going to a hotel in Venice. As you leave the airport bus, cross the street in front of the bus to the tram station. Watch out for buses as you cross. Immediately turn right onto the first platform and walk toward the trees ahead of you. At the end of the platform, cross zebra stripe. Watch out for buses. Walk straight ahead toward the stone bridge. On the right side of the bridge, you can see an accessible ramp. This is great if you have luggage, or obviously if you have a wheelchair or a stroller. Otherwise, just go up the steps. And they're very gentle steps. This is one of the easier bridges to cross in Venice with luggage. And when you reach the top of the bridge, continue down through the brick gates and follow a curving path. You're walking toward the Hotel Ai Venezia. Again, just keep walking, following the curve of the path. For the Hotel Ai Tolentini, walk past the Hotel Papadopoli to the stone bridge ahead of you and cross the bridge. On the other side of the bridge, turn left and walk along the canal. The pavement will widen into a small square. Keep going straight ahead. You'll see a yellow sign on that red building ahead of you. It says Per Rialto and Per San Marco. Walk toward that. And continue through the Sottoportico, which is a tunnel-like passage. And the Hotel Ai Tolentini will be immediately ahead of you on your left, with a sign overhanging the street. And here we are. For more step-by-step walking directions with maps, go to VeniceHotelDirections.com. For a complete travel guide to Venice, Italy, see VeniceForVisitors.com.